Hi, I'm Franco. The next class is algebra, taught by Professor Eric Ivan. The class it starts at 2 o'clock and ends 4 o'clock. Follow me. Okay, we are in class now. Today we'll have students' presentations, so let's get quiet. My classmate presented this problem. In simple terms, in these special rings, when you add something to itself, it cancels out to zero. This shows each element is its own negative for addition. This special feature is crucial in mathematical structures and used for logic and digital circuits. Here's why. Take any element and add it to itself, using the property that squaring any element equals the element itself. When we work through the math, we find that 4 times the element equals 2 times the element simplifying. This shows that the 2 times the element must be 0. Many adding an element to itself gives 0. Here's why. Take any element and add it to itself, using the property that squaring any element equals the element itself. When we work through the math, we find that 4 times the element equals 2 times the element simplifying. This shows that the 2 times the element must be 0. Many adding an element to itself gives 0. In a Boolean ring, where squaring any element gives back the same element, adding any element to itself always equals 0. Well, that's all for me. Bye.
The simpler truth about calculus will limit change everything. Let me tell you a secret about math. The most important ideas are often the simplest. Limit this basic concept from calculus, yet it power everything. From smartphone apps, the space rockets here rail about which they might so much. Peter this you are washing a baseball so drain the air. At any moment you go calculate its very speed, put that about is spell at the exact moment it hits a bat. That's where limits come in. Their let us couch their fleeting instance than regular math misses. The magic happens because limits asks one powerful question. What happens as the way head closer? Not at the point, but the hair take function. But look at the answer here closer to 6.
Hi, I am Emmanuel Cepeda Roy and second year actuaría students and June I thought I take my leave and you know we are at the end of the semester and then means the last exam are starting to take place and today is no exception. Today I had analytic geometry exam. Yeah.
Hi, I am Angel, and today you'll join us for the day in the life of an actuarial student. The first class is English, which starts at 11 in the morning and ends at 1 in the afternoon. The class is about how to use be and do. The teacher had us to the activity from the page 134 to the book, which is about Beardo, which involves putting in the sentences in the curriculum. This exactly is about lecture. In the fall, watch or run the Chicago Marathon. One of the biggest marathons in the USA takes place in the fall every year. Usually in October, about 4,000 people, including top runners and celebrities, run 26.2 miles through the city. There's a fantastic atmosphere. You can watch anywhere clothing the route, but the Chicago Theater and the finish near Grand Park are my favorite places. The fall in Chicago usually means good weather, but be prepared for the rain or sun, just in case. The next activity has to complete the following conversations. Okay, um, the conversation is something like where do you want to go? Is it far? Or where are you from? Can you stop here, please? Are you on vacation? And how much is it? Do you like Chicago? And can I pay the credit card? The two people in the conversation answering these questions. This is the activity. Alright, now here are my classmates. Bye.